Hey Village Collectors, this is the William Glenn Haunted Holiday Village display in our William Glenn store at 116 Old Agnes in Weatherford, Texas. So if you haven't seen our other videos on building villages and specifically on this one, give it a look-see. This guy's retired, so you'll want to pick that up. That's the Haunted Castle, and of course here's the brand new Walt Disney World version of the Haunted Mansion. It's awesome, love it. The new Monster Teeny. But I did want to give you a little life hack. So these are the displays that we have. A friend of ours builds them for us. They're beautiful. They're out of 2-inch styrofoam insulation foam that you can just get at Home Depot or Lowe's. And using our hot knife that's available at WilliamGlenn.com, carve it up, stack it, and then paint it. There's other videos out there on how to do this, and we'll talk more about this later. But we have holes made for our pieces so that we can get the light through there. So the holes go right through there and light up our little houses. So I wanted to show you, normally you would clip those lights into the house itself, but I like to do this, which is the light comes up through here. This happens to be the 6-light LED that's available from Department 56 at WilliamGlenn.com. And instead of putting it into the house, I just squeeze the prongs right there and stick that right on top of the hole, so that when we put our house on there, you don't have to worry about clicking it into the house itself. You can just set it right there. That way if you want to pick it up and look at it or dust it or clean it or switch it out, it's easy to do. So come give us a visit at WilliamGlenn.com for more hints and tips and tricks. Sign up for our emails and make sure to like and subscribe this video wherever you're seeing it. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more tips and tricks.